so we're back in the car. We're now heading towards an awesome waterfall hike, and we'll check in when we get there. I probably just took one of the windiest drone flights in my life here. I'm getting a little bit more ballsy with the drone for sure, but we're right in front of the Bedarra Beach Inn. I'll get a good picture of that sign. I'm sure I'm butchering the name, but ooh, I sure hope that footage looked good because it was sketchy. We pulled over on Queens Road, had that awesome drone flight, and then we went to the Bedarra Beach Inn. This place is really just a cool place. You can see it's almost like it's a smaller resort, but there is a lot of rooms, and they have their own private beach access over here, and the snorkeling looks really good actually. I wonder what it looks like. Maybe we'll come back here, do a little bit of snorkeling later, but at least we got to fly the drone and, you know, just a little minute drone flight, but hey, hopefully it looked pretty cool. We just pulled off the side of the road at Baravi Handicrafts, and they have a cafe here too, so we packed some lunch for our waterfall hike, and here we go. Michelle and I are currently looking for Biausevu WaterFall, and we went up this dirt road that took us up a mountain, and I think it's going to take us down the other side. We're kind of on faith right now. So we're here with Isaiah, and we're going to do a kava ceremony. They're welcoming us to our village.
The kava ceremony, eh?
Yeah.
This is just to welcome you to the village before hiking up to the falls, okay?
Okay. Bula.
Bula. Você matar na coruna mesmo. Estou chamando aqui.
Oh, it smells very nice.
So
I clap.
Three clap, no clap once, say bula, and you drink it up. Okay. Clap.
Bula.
Alright. Drink it up. Alright. Mama. Say bula.
Bula.
Not bad, huh? Makes your mouth a little numb.
Yeah, it numbs your tongue.
Oh, that was so good.
Bula.
Bula. Wonderful. So I guess this is one of the horses we'll be riding. Michelle is about to attempt to climb on a horse for the first time in a very long time. Oh, I'll tell you, Joe's doing just fine. What an experience. So I'm on horseback right now, heading up to a waterfall, being guided by some local children. And this is seriously a world-class experience right here. The definition of privilege when you don't have to walk. Holy cow. Amazing, amazing.
First time in Fiji?
First time in Fiji. You've been here your whole life, huh? What a wonderful place to be. I'm jealous. It's hard not to feel bad for Joe having to support my heavy butt, but this is such a good experience, and I'm sure it's nice for Joe to get a walk too. I saw he was grazing a little bit, and Michelle's horse up there got to take a poop in the water. That's pretty fun. Good job, Joe. Good job, buddy. Good job, Joe. Good job, Joe. We just found out that Black Beauty is pregnant with Joe's baby. No worries here, especially when you're riding Joe. Good job, Joe. All right. Good job, Joe. Good job, Joe. Oh, yeah. There we go. What an experience. Oh, my goodness. There it is, the first sight of the waterfall. Gorgeous. I'll tell you. The best money spent in Fiji.
All right.
So we just got off the horses at the waterfall. What an experience. I think probably the best 150 Fijian you can spend on a horseback ride to a waterfall. What do you think, Michelle?
Yes.
That was so much fun. So this is Biausevu WaterFall. I think we're gonna get on our bathing suits, maybe switch to GoPro, and oh my gosh, we're having the time of our lives out here. So we're here at Biausevu WaterFalls. I'm inside the pool right now. Michelle is about ready to get out. It's a little bit chillier than you would expect for it. You know, in Fiji, all the water is so warm, but I would say this is a solid 70 degrees in here. It can catch you off guard almost. So I would recommend coming when the sun is out and really hitting the water just so you stay warm. So we're leaving the waterfall right now. I think we're gonna hop back on our horses and head back to the car. Hula! So I'm riding Black Beauty now. Michelle is gonna ride Joe, and we're on our way home. Here's Black Beauty taking a lovely snack of some bamboo, her favorite snack.
Okay, time to move.
Yeah, time to go. Let's go.
Stop.
Definitely not a bad day to be at a waterfall. I am guiding the horse onto the track. Oh, hee-haw, hee-haw. Hey! My horse is hungry. It wants a snack, I guess. Hula! Oh, come on, Beauty. Such a wonderful horse. Such a wonderful day. Such wonderful people. Hula. Benaka.
Come on, Joe. Let's go, Joe.
Never ridden a horse in sandals before. This is great. That's Black Beauty. And that's Joe, the horse Michelle just rode. Good baby! Hi, buddy!
You're little.
Hello. A little guy, huh? Little girl. Hey, baby. So we're back in the village of Biausevu. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. We had wonderful tour guides that took us up to a waterfall on horseback, and the price was very affordable to take horses. I highly recommend it. It made the whole experience better. We've been hiking today already, and to not have to hike up that mountain and to ride it on horseback was such a great experience. Truly world class. And we're gonna hop in the car right now. We have a long dirt road to drive on, and hopefully get back to Pacific Harbor. Oh, I didn't even notice, but there is a cow right there. Hi, Mr. Cow. Such a wonderful day, oh my goodness. And we're gonna drive across this bridge. Well, we found some roosters and some chickens. Cuckoo! Cuckoo!